And all I feel is blue. Black, black.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to Execute Codes. So you are welcome to the first video Tech Thoughts of Execute Codes. So I am now going to start about technical videos also about technology too. So this is the first video. In this video I will show you how to increase your pen drive size. So now you need to insert your pen drive. I have already inserted it and you will see here I have inserted removal disk M and I have also formatted my pen drive. So to just format your pen drive, we can see that here it's empty and all. So just to format, just click on right click and click on format and just click on start and then OK and click on yes. So then before formatting it, if you have any files in your pen drive, please take a backup of it. So now it will start formatting it. Yeah, so here you will see a dialog box has appeared saying format complete. I will click on OK and then click on close. You will see that I have all free space of 7.21 GB. So means I have formatted all my. Okay, so now we will open our CMD exe and then here I have written a code in the description. You can get it from the description. Convert H double quotes hashtag FS double quotes NTFS this and where H is your pen drive letter. So you will see it is an NTFS file. So we need to check if a pen drive is an NTFS file. So just right click and then go to your properties and you will see here it is an FAT32 system file type. So we need to change. So to change, just go to right click and then click on format. Here you will see file system option. From here you need to change to NTFS and then click on start. So it will start again formatting and click on yes. It will start again to format and change the file system to NTFS also. So it will be now take some time. So we will wait till that and then it will take some time. A dialog box will appear saying format complete and just click on OK and then click on close. Then we will check the pen drive properties. So now this time it will say it as file system and DFS. So then we will just close it. Now we need to open a CMD. So command prompt and we need to write the code. I've given the code in the description. You can get it from there. So convert HFSTF is your first. So my pen drive name is M. So I will write convert M, then double and slash, and then FS and DFS. So I will just write it FS double NTFS and then just click on enter. So drive M is already NTFS. So you need to just get this message and then just close your CMD. Then you will see that then you need to go to your properties and from here you need to uh, enable this option compress this drive to save disk space. Just click on that and click on apply and then click on apply changes to drive and subfolders and files and then click on OK. So I will just first I will show you that my free space is this much and then I will just click on apply and then just click on OK. So it will just compress my used space. So you have seen that it has compressed my used space 65.3 MB. 65.3 MB and you can see here it has just compressed it and you will see that the file names will be written in all in blue. Now I will show you an example. For example, I will take a music file. So wait, I'll just show you an example. I will just open my another computer. So just a minute, I will open my computer. Oh yeah, it's already open. So then we will go to our music folder and from here I will go to sample music and I will copy the kalimba.mp3 file. So in properties, I will show you that it's of 8 MB. Okay, so I'll just copy it, just control plus C, and then I will just paste it over here. So it will now just paste it. Now here, when I will go and see that, so it will compress it. So see, before it was 7.16 and 7.15. So it has just compressed. Before it was something and now it is something else. So you will see here kalimba.mp3, and then shortcut file will be also made, which is a compressed one. So I'll just open and show you also. Yeah, so I'll just close it, and then you can see here it is just making here. I'll just refresh it also, and 8 MB file will be gone and 1 GB file will be here. So it is, and I will show you all the properties also. Only 73.3 MB is used instead of. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.